Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel ArcViz. So guys, today we will discuss how to post-production the render output. So you can see here we have saved the render output scene here in PNG format. You can see the render element also, video lighting, video reflection, refraction, render ID, shadow, and the wire color. We have saved all of the render element here. We have saved in two format. One is PNG format and other is TIFF format. So this is the TIFF format. So we will find out how. Firstly, TIFF format is more data and proceedings, more clarity and size are bigger. So for executive rendering we will use TIFF format. So guys, let's start post production. Right click on effect, results, passes, right click on it and open with Adobe Photoshop. We will use Photoshop 2021 for post production. This is our scene, and here you can see the log background. Right click on it, layout for background, press OK. Now you can see here the sky is here through your HDRI are on there on render. So if you want to resist this sky, you can leave it as well. If you don't, you need to delete this. So you will see how it works. So firstly we gather all the render element here like this, selecting all, drag it to the screen, pressing shift key from your keyboard, and pressing shift key click on tick here also. Okay, here the passes. Firstly, of all passes except layer 0, and above this press the video lighting layer option on and set it to screen and set it opacity to 27, looking good. Open video reflection and preset this at screen. You can see it how the reflection path is working. So this is post production, the purest post production. Set it your visual accordingly, and on the refraction also. Refraction is needed where refractive glass are included. So press its screen and open it here. Okay, so this is the one part. Now if we want to change the sky to a dramatic sky, so how it will work. Okay, for that reason I have some compositing screen here. The sky like this is the sky. Okay, we will include this is also okay. The PNG we will include all this, the cityscape we will include the cityscape. Okay, we will include the flying jet. Okay, so let how it works. So firstly select layer 0 and go to channel. This is minutely, you need to follow these steps accordingly, minutely expecting anything. So kindly view this video from beginning to end, you will get better result. like this on the alpha mode, and select the selection screen, select color range, select this, hit OK. It will sing here. Now on all and click on alpha. Let's go to layer and press delete, and here right click, rasterizing layer, hit delete. Same as to all the layers, how you delete your sun, your sky to your views. Right click on deselect. Now you can see here, delete all the skies from all your layers. So I will make this duplicate and merge it in one layer. Rest I will off the main layer. So I have one layer here. So you need to include the sky here. Drag and drop the sky here. You can use different sky. I will use this and place it bottom. Okay. Okay. Right click on it, is duplicate, and there is a color option. You can change your sky setting accordingly. I will do this for my viewing purpose. Okay, and provide some brightness, sky also. Okay, and here you can see I will provide some life to these greens also. So click on wire color, set it on, and select by clicking color range and this color. Select this and click on it, and click Ctrl J. Ctrl J for copy. Copy only this object, so you can get how it select in Photoshop. So I will some color correction for this to reach my scene better. Okay, same as you can see. Okay, now you're getting the value of this wire color and different render element. This works like, if you want to select this element, how is this is the render ID. Okay, so how it works. So select these trees also, and I want to deselect this. I want some color variation from this. That's why I did not select. Okay, Okay, let's add the cityscape here. Edit, pressing shift here, and you can see you need to move it. I will put this background and set it like this, pressing down arrow. For background cityscape, this is how the background cityscape works. Okay, now you can see how the background are placed in your render. Okay, yes, you can provide it also. It has some this type of stuff. Okay, now I will put this birds here and place it to the top like this. This need to rescale. We will rescale like this and placing it bottom the trees. Okay, like this. Now you can see. Okay, one thing you can do, I will do this. I will do this for the plants also. Okay, and I will provide in this and of this also and this also. These all are I will add some sun effect. So I working like this. Merge these two layers. Okay, and add some lens flare effect. See how it works. Okay, no, we need to merge this also. Cityscape and the background sky. Duplicate layer and merge, and here we can provide the lens flare. You can set these like this. I will provide this and hit OK. So how it looks like. Okay, now I will placing here these two, and this building and this car and rest of this like. Okay, now I will, you can see here the effect. I can provide like this. This is a decent option. I will change the opacity here like here. Okay, now this is our post-production. Save this file. Save this file to TIFF for high resolution. And besides, you save as JPEG or PNG. What do you want? Okay. Now you can see this is your rendered image view after the post-production. So guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe my channel, share my channel, and view all of my videos to get extraordinary knowledge in V-Ray, 3ds Max and Photoshop. So guys, let's, thank you for watching. Thank you.